No car wash can clean this sticker.
I have a secret trick.
Really clean.
Like toothpaste, toilet cleaner, dish soap. You must not underestimate these things. They all have great use in the car. For example, the wheel hub is rusty and yellow, and it can't be wiped off. Pour toilet cleaner on top and rinse with water. It can become like a new wheel hub. Water droplets are very easy to hang on the side view mirror, which is very dangerous to affect the line of sight. Squeeze the toothpaste onto the lens and spread it evenly with a towel, so there will be no more scratches on the lens. The scratches on the car that didn't leak the primer. You can also use toothpaste to fix it. The wipers can't clean the glass. We only need to drop 2 drops of detergent on the windshield, and the glass can be spray clean. Give me a free follow and like. I am Brother Che, who shares car knowledge every day.
How to accurately determine the distance between the rear of the car. 90% of people do not know. I'll teach you today. First, be sure to adjust the angle of the rearview mirror, the left rearview mirror to find the front door handle, and then the door handle to the bottom right of the rearview mirror. The right rearview mirror also find the front door handle, the same door handle to the bottom left of the rearview mirror. Such a rearview mirror field of view is the widest. The next look behind the car when the mirror is divided into 2. Remember that the right is the safe distance, the left is the dangerous distance. When the rear car appears in the right half of the position, at this time the distance is far. Change lanes or turn around are safe. After the car appears in the left half of the position, at this time that the distance is very close. Cannot change lanes.